Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to add a home visit option in Wix. This will be great if you service clients in their home or at an address that they would like, not at your business. So first, you will log into your Wix website. In your dashboard, we will go to Catalog and Booking Services. From here, we will click to add a new service. With Wix, it gives you multiple types of services, from courses to classes and appointments. If you wanted something particular to your business type, you can add the services here and it will actually generate additional services to your menu here. So they'll give you some courses that you could do, some classes you could give, and your appointments. So we will go through and start from scratch, and this will be a visit to the home. So you'll add your name, you have an image, any tagline, description for what they would receive when they book, how long it'll take, if you need buffer time before or after the appointment, how they will pay for this service. In this tutorial, we'll just use per session, but you can also do with a plan or per session or with a plan. So you can do memberships too. Then we have our locations here and our assigned staff. Automatically, we will be one of the staff members that will be assigned. Then if you had any resources you wanted to add, you have that here. You can add a cover photo and set your booking preferences. To allow online bookings, it is automatically toggled on. Your booking policy will be edited here. And if you want to manually approve or decline booking requests, or if you would like to accept all bookings when it is available. Once you put in all of your information for your sessions, if you had more than the 2 hours, then you can set that here. So we have all of our information. If we wanted this price to be online or in person, they will be able to pay in person, or they can do online or in person, or have a deposit set and then have the rest in person. So we have all of this set. We have our home cleaning is visible. We'll click save. With it saved, we will go back into that cleaning and we will go to our locations. Here it'll automatically have the business address, but we want to click edit and we want to select client's place and save. So once they go to book this, they will have to put in their address for this service. Now we will click save. So that is how you add a home visit option in Wix.